What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you on. Today, guys, we're going to be talking about a newer Shibarium token that launched less than 10 days ago. Now, remember, as always, I like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor, just putting you guys on the plays that I'm in. And if you are new around here, consider smashing the like button down below and subscribing to the channel. And a huge shout out to the Fetch community for sponsoring today's video. So let's go ahead and dive in and talk about this specific token. So if you guys aren't aware, about 4 days ago, the official SHIB Twitter account and Shytoshi and everybody else as part of the team, or somewhat part of the team, said that the Shibarium early beta test is live. Today, more than ever, we see the need for a truly decentralized layer 2 network that powers the project of a large global decentralized community. So you see that the beta went live and a lot of tokens have been launching with specific utilities to assist with the new layer 2 solution. And we're going to talk about one of those today that's going to be focused on staking. So let's go ahead and dive in. First and foremost, the token that we'll be discussing today is Fetch. I'll be talking about the token, its utilities. We'll go over the white paper and also the chart and price action and why I think it is really providing an opportunity within these Shibarium based tokens that we've been seeing lately. So first and foremost, you will see that they have submitted their submission as a part of Shibarium. We're proud to announce that we have submitted our submission to be a part of Shibarium's ecosystem. Our mission is to enable Shibarium projects to offer staking and yielding by partnering with us. Fetch, you could see all the hashtags and you could see the page where they actually got the response. Thank you for your submission. Keep an eye out on your email, including spam, for future steps to be a part of this amazing technology. This was done on day 2 after their launch. You could see on March 6th, they completed the form. In addition, they have been building a lot of partnerships that have been impressive. One of my personal favorite partnerships that I saw was with SHIBAINU. We are pleased to announce that we have partnered with Volt to offer their swap, VoltiChange, inside our website. Any transactions carried out through the website widget include a 0.25% burn, which makes our supply officially deflationary. So a huge shout out to SHIBAINU for partnering up with Fetch. So let's go ahead and look at the website. You could see it says here the real yield on Shibarium. And the one thing that I'm going to make sure that you all heard and understood was what they said regarding other projects. Our mission is to enable Shibarium projects to offer staking and yielding by partnering with us. So that's the big utility and the big thing that Fetch is looking to offer. Fetch is a unique cryptocurrency that is specifically designed for staking and yielding on the Shibarium network. To be built on the low-cost proof-of-stake Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain, Fetch provides users with the ability to earn rewards by staking their tokens. And not just Fetch tokens, and that's the thing that you need to all understand. These are also other tokens that are going to be launching on Shibarium. So again, it's increasing utility for its own ecosystem, but also the ability to partnership with other tokens. And they already have partnerships with other Shibarium-based tokens that really do excite me. Now, you could see here on their white paper, they kind of go further and talk about some of the details regarding their mission. And of course, the ability to allow users to start staking on the platform. Staking involves locking up tokens or coins for a certain period of time during which the investor is unable to sell or trade them. In return, it says here, for this commitment, stakers are often rewarded with additional tokens or a share of transaction fees generated on the network. By locking up their tokens in this way, investors are effectively taking them out of circulation, which reduces the overall supply of said token. We saw it with ShibaSwap with the total value locked way back in June or July 2021. We saw significantly that impacted our circulating supply. Because though it might say that the supply is circulating, you need to understand that locking them out actually doesn't allow anybody else to buy or sell those specific tokens. So the goal here would be increasing, again, holding positions for holders and also rewarding them at the same time. And that's why staking works so well. You can kind of think about it as buying shares of stocks and locking them up as well. This reduction in supply can help stabilize the price of the token by creating a price floor. Essentially, as fewer tokens are available for purchase, the price is likely to fall below a certain level. This can be attractive to investors who want to avoid the risk of significant price drops, as well as the project owners who are looking to create an attractive chart for prospective investors. So personally, in my opinion, I think what Fetch is doing here is quite significant. I think it has something that can have a pretty profound impact on a lot of different tokens. I'll move myself down here so you guys can see the screen. But I think, again, as I mentioned, I think it can have a profound impact on a lot of different Shibarium-based tokens. Now, I do understand that the market today overall is slightly bleeding, but I take those as opportunities. And if you see Fetch token, obviously the narrative with Shibarium was exciting, and off launch, they really went up to above a $1 million market cap and have since regressed. And so the question always becomes, is it worth buying something on the dip? Remember, I can never tell you to buy, sell, or hold any asset in the market, but I can always put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And for me, I've established a position right around these levels, actually, funny enough, for Fetch. And I do plan on maybe increasing my position size. I'm invested in a lot of other projects that are part of the Shibarium token network, if you will, including some of the ones you see on the side here, NFAI, Dogpad, Sharby, and the list goes on. And all of these have seen some significant, I should say pretty massive momentum with the narrative on Shibarium. So again, what I would say is not all Shibarium projects will be successful. That is 100% a fact. And I would agree with that. And they always tell us to do our own research. But based off what I'm seeing and what the developer has done so far on something that launched later than most of these other projects, I think the potential for upside is much higher as well, but it comes with a lot of risk and volatility. So make sure, as always, only invest money into any of these projects, any of these ones that I've listed on the side, any of the ones I talk about on my channel, with certainty that it could either go up or it can go down. Obviously, like any other investment, and these are what you would consider more high risk, high reward, higher upside potential, but also higher downside potential as well. I do appreciate you guys' support as always. I'll have all the links down below, including their link tree that you can visit and check out everything. Do more research, do more of your own due diligence before diving in. But I do appreciate your support as always. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And until next time, everybody, as always, keep investing. Peace.